Question 22 is very similar to what I've done in the other tutorials, but anyway, let's just read the information. W does not react with cold water. Z reacts slowly with cold water. Y reacts vigorously. Vigorously means very reactive, very reactive. X does not react with cold water. So W and X does not react with cold water, so no reaction, cold water. And then in terms of cold water, very vigorous, very reactive, is going to be Y. So Y is very reactive, no reaction with cold water, W and X. So I still don't know which one is more reactive, but I know that in terms of reactivity, it's going to be Y is more reactive than Z, because Y reacts vigorously, very fast with cold water, Z very slow. These two does not react at all. So most reactive is Y. Y is more reactive than Z. Most reactive is going to be Y. So at the very least, I can cross out A and B. I have a better chance of getting things correct now. Okay. Looking at that, I can probably get the answer already, because Z is more reactive than X. Hopefully you can see that. Z is more reactive than X because Z reacts with cold water. And if Z is more reactive than X, Z is more reactive than X because it's most reactive. So Z is more reactive than X. This is wrong. Z is more reactive than X. That is correct. So the answer there must be option D there.